Remember when buying a car felt simple? Today, the average new car in America costs nearly $48,000. Car payments stretch for years. Gas prices drain your wallet every single month. Repair bills feel like a second mortgage. Now imagine this, a brand new Tesla, not used, not stripped down, for just $12,749. And this is not a rumor. Pilot production lines are already running at Giga Texas. Prototypes have been spotted testing on California highways. So the question is simple. Is Tesla really about to make affordable transportation real again? Or is this just another promise that sounds too good to be true? The uncomfortable truth here is the truth most people try to avoid because it is uncomfortable to face. The real cost of owning a car is not the price you see on the window sticker. It is the bleeding that never stops, month after month, year after year. Most people think, I paid for the car, now I just drive it. But that is not how car ownership works in real life. The average American over the age of 55 spends around $9,400 every single year on gas, insurance, routine maintenance, unexpected repairs, and rising service costs, oil changes, brake jobs, transmission issues. One small warning light turns into a four-figure bill overnight. Stretch that out over time and the numbers become shocking. That is $94,000 every 10 years. Just to keep a vehicle running that is losing value the entire time. Now think about depreciation. A Honda Accord bought in 2018 for $28,000 is worth maybe $14,000 today, if you are lucky. Half of your investment is gone, not because the car failed, but simply because time passed. And here is the worst part. Even while your car is losing value, you are still paying every month, paying for fuel, paying for repairs, paying for upkeep. This is the broken equation Tesla wants to destroy. The 2026 Tesla Model 2 is not designed to be just cheaper upfront. It is designed to stop the financial bleeding entirely and flip car ownership from a monthly burden into long-term freedom. The promise in this video, I am going to show you 7 breakthroughs that make the 2026 Tesla Model 2 possible. Not marketing buzzwords, not vague promises, but real engineering decisions that completely change how a car is built, owned, and maintained. These breakthroughs explain how Tesla can realistically offer a vehicle at a price point the industry said was impossible. They reveal why this is not just a cheaper Tesla, but a fundamentally different way of thinking about transportation. And there is one breakthrough you absolutely do not want to miss. Breakthrough number 6 was designed specifically for people who are tired of wasting time and money on car maintenance. People who are done with oil changes, surprise repair bills, dealership visits, and vehicles that seem to age faster than they should. This is the breakthrough that attacks the hidden cost of car ownership, the one that quietly drains thousands of dollars over the years without most drivers even realizing it. By the end of this video, you will understand exactly how Tesla plans to remove that burden entirely. You will see why the Model 2 is not meant to be replaced every few years, but engineered to last for decades. And once you see the full picture, you may realize why the 2026 Tesla Model 2 could genuinely be the last car you ever need to buy. Market context. While Ford and GM continue raising prices year after year, Tesla chose a completely different path. Instead of blaming inflation, supply chains, or labor costs, Tesla went straight to the root of the problem: manufacturing efficiency. This was not a small adjustment. It was a fundamental rethink of how cars are built from the ground up. Tesla asked a question no legacy automaker wanted to face. What if the car itself is not too expensive, but the way we build it is? By redesigning factories, reducing parts, and scaling production faster than anyone thought possible, Tesla began collapsing costs instead of passing them on to buyers. And that decision sent shockwaves through the auto industry. Because if Tesla truly delivers a $12,749 Model 2, the entire $30,000 to $50,000 car market becomes indefensible overnight. At that point, it is no longer about competition. It becomes survival. Legacy automakers are not scared of one cheap Tesla. They are scared of a system that makes high prices impossible to justify. Breakthrough 1. Unboxed manufacturing. Tesla completely reinvented how cars are built. Instead of thousands of welded parts, Tesla uses massive gigacasting machines. A single 9,000-ton press replaces over 70 individual parts. No welds, no bolts, no weak points. Each casting takes under 40 seconds. This cuts production cost by up to 50%, factory space by 40%, assembly time dramatically. The result is shocking. Tesla's estimated build cost drops to $9,000, $11,000 per car. That is how a $12,749 Tesla becomes realistic. Breakthrough 2. Battery. Built for decades, the Model 2 uses LFP battery chemistry. Safer, cheaper, longer lasting. Real-world range is estimated between 300 and 350 miles. But the real story is longevity. These batteries handle 3,000 to 5,000 charge cycles. That translates to 30 to 50 years of normal driving. This is not planned obsolescence. This is generational engineering. For many drivers over 55, this battery could outlast their driving years entirely. Breakthrough 3. Self-maintenance software. Model 2 is not just electric, it is intelligent. Over 200 sensors monitor every critical system. Battery health, motors, brakes, cooling, suspension. The car does not wait for things to break. It predicts problems weeks in advance. Most fixes happen through over-the-air software updates while you sleep. No oil changes, no transmission repairs, no dealership games. Average savings compared to gas cars: about $1,200 per year. Breakthrough 4. Real-world practicality. Let us talk real life. The average American drives about 40 miles per day. That means the Model 2 can go 6 to 7 days on a single charge. Charging from 0 to 80% takes around 25 minutes on a Tesla supercharger. That is often less time than people already spend at gas stations every week. Range anxiety is not a real problem. It is a psychological one. Breakthrough 5. Industry fear. If Tesla scales this successfully, every automaker will be forced to redesign their factories or exit the market. This is not just a new car. This is a manufacturing revolution. And revolutions never ask for permission. To be fair, there are risks. Tesla must prove it can avoid production delays, it can maintain quality at massive scale. This is Tesla's biggest test yet. But if they succeed, the auto industry will never be the same. Final question, so here is the real question. If Tesla launches the 2026 Model 2 at $12,749, would you finally ditch gas forever? Comment $12,749 yes. If you are ready, gas. If you are not, and tell us why in the next video. We are exposing Tesla Pi phone leaks that could seriously threaten Apple. Subscribe and turn on notifications, because once these leaks go public, you do not want to be the last to know. Drive safe, and I will see you in the next one.